Welcome to the bustling city streets, where fashion-conscious shoppers and vibrant market stalls coexist. This is the vibrant heart of our city, a melting pot of style and culture, where every corner reveals a new trend waiting to be discovered. But beneath the glitz and glamour of the fashion world, there's a deeper narrative unfolding, a narrative of ethical fashion on a budget. Imagine a world where style meets sustainability, where you don't have to compromise your fashion choices to make a positive impact on the planet. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But it's not just a dream, it's a reality that's slowly taking shape, and we're here to guide you through this exciting journey. In the midst of this bustling cityscape, we find our guide, Emma. Emma is not just a fashion enthusiast. She's a savvy fashionista who's committed to making ethical choices. Emma believes that fashion is more than just trends and labels. To her, it's a means of expression, a way to communicate her values and beliefs. And one of those beliefs is the importance of ethical and sustainable fashion. Emma is on a mission to show us that you don't need to break the bank to make ethical fashion choices. From thrift stores and flea markets to sustainable brands and capsule wardrobes, she's going to share her secrets to maintaining a stylish and sustainable wardrobe on a budget. This journey won't just change the way you shop, it will change the way you see the world. You'll learn that every purchase you make has an impact, not just on your wallet, but on the people who make your clothes and the planet we all share. So, are you ready? Ready to delve into the world of ethical fashion, to discover how to make a difference with your wardrobe choices, and to learn how to do it all on a budget? Well, buckle up, because we're just getting started. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the world of ethical fashion with our guide, Emma. Step into the treasure troves of thrift stores, vintage boutiques, and flea markets. These are the heartlands of ethical fashion, where every garment holds a story, and every purchase supports a more sustainable industry. But the allure of these places isn't just in their ethos. It's in the thrill of the hunt, the joy of discovery, and the satisfaction of finding designer pieces at a fraction of the cost. Picture this: a pristine silk blouse, an original from the 70s, with the most exquisite embroidery, waiting to be discovered in a thrift store. Or perhaps a pair of vintage Levi's jeans, perfectly worn in, and just your size, hiding between stacks of denim in a flea market. These are not just clothes. They are hidden gems that bear testament to the longevity of well-made pieces and the timeless appeal of great design. But the magic of the thrift hunt doesn't stop at the find. It extends to the potential for transformation. With a little bit of creativity and some basic sewing skills, you can breathe new life into these pieces, tailoring them to your style and making them truly your own. Consider the endless possibilities of upcycling. That oversized shirt you found in the men's section? With a few snips and stitches, you can transform it into a chic dress that's just your style. Or that pair of old denim jeans. Cut off the legs, fray the edges, and voila, you've got yourself a pair of trendy shorts that are perfect for the summer. Upcycling is not just a creative exercise. It's an act of rebellion against the fast fashion industry, and a testament to the power of individual agency in shaping our fashion choices. It's a way of saying, I choose not to contribute to the waste and exploitation of the fashion industry. I choose to make the most out of what's already there. I choose to be a conscious consumer. So, next time you're in a thrift store or a flea market, look beyond the surface. See the potential in every garment. Imagine what it could be, not just what it is. And remember, every piece you find, every garment you transform, is a step towards a more ethical and sustainable fashion industry. As you can see, the thrill of the thrift hunt is not only in the chase, but also in the potential for upcycling magic. It's in the satisfaction of finding that hidden gem and transforming it into something uniquely yours. It's in the knowledge that with every purchase, you're making a conscious choice to support a more sustainable and ethical fashion industry. So, happy hunting. Now let's delve into the world of conscious brands. This is where the magic really happens, where style, sustainability, and budget intersect. But what exactly are conscious brands? These are fashion companies that have made a commitment to ethical practices. They prioritize fair trade, use organic materials, and often opt for carbon offset shipping. They're the champions of the fashion world, fighting for a sustainable future without sacrificing style. One such brand is Pact. Pact is a shining example of a conscious brand, offering a range of clothing made from organic cotton. They're committed to not just reducing their environmental footprint, but also ensuring fair working conditions for their employees. From cozy sweatshirts to sleek leggings, Pact offers a variety of styles that are both sustainable and affordable. Next up, we have Cotton. This brand is another beacon of ethical fashion, sourcing their cotton directly from farmers in Egypt. This not only ensures the quality of their materials, but also supports the livelihoods of these farming communities. With their minimalist aesthetic, Cotton offers a selection of essentials that are as stylish as they are sustainable. But here's the thing about conscious brands. They're not just about making ethical clothing. They're also about encouraging a shift in our shopping habits. This is where the concept of investing in well-made essentials comes into play. You see, buying a cheap, poorly made shirt might seem like a bargain at first, but when it falls apart after a few washes, you'll have to replace it. On the other hand, investing in a well-made shirt may cost a bit more upfront, but it will last much longer. In the long run, you'll save money and reduce waste. It's a win-win situation. Now I know what you're thinking. These conscious brands sound great, but aren't they expensive? Well, here's a little secret. Many of these brands offer discounts online. Yes, you heard that right. With a little bit of research, you can snag some great deals on ethical fashion. For instance, many brands offer discounts when you first sign up for their newsletter. Others have sales throughout the year, especially during events like Earth Day or Black Friday. Some even have loyalty programs that reward you with discounts for being a repeat customer. And let's not forget about discount codes. These are often shared by bloggers or influencers who collaborate with these brands. By following your favorite ethical fashion influencers on social media, you can keep an eye out for these codes and use them to save money on your purchases. So there you have it, the world of conscious brands. These companies are leading the charge towards a more sustainable and ethical fashion industry. And the best part? You don't have to break the bank to support them. Remember, when it comes to fashion, quality trumps quantity, and often a great deal is just a discount code away. Ever heard of a capsule wardrobe? Let's explore this minimalist approach to fashion. A capsule wardrobe is a concept that is taking the fashion world by storm, and for good reason. It's about embracing minimalism and making smart, ethical choices. It's about less clutter, less waste, and more space for creativity and flexibility in your style. Imagine your wardrobe not as a chaotic, overflowing space, but a carefully curated collection of items that you love, that fit you well, and that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. This is the essence of a capsule wardrobe. It's about having fewer pieces, but pieces that are versatile, that reflect your personal style, and that you feel good wearing. Now, you might be wondering how a few quality items can create countless outfits. Well, it's all about the art of mixing and matching. With a capsule wardrobe, every piece is a team player. Your tops and bottoms, your dresses and jackets, your shoes and accessories, they all work together to create a variety of looks. Think of it as your own personal fashion puzzle, where each item is a piece that fits together with the others to create a beautiful, cohesive picture. One day, you might pair a classic white tee with a denim jacket and black jeans. The next, you might wear that same white tee with a flowing skirt and a statement necklace. The possibilities are endless when each piece is versatile and can be combined in different ways. Speaking of versatile pieces, let's talk about some of the staples of a capsule wardrobe. These are the timeless classics, the items that never go out of style and can be worn season after season. A crisp white tee, for instance, is a must-have. It's simple, it's comfortable, and it can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Next up, the denim jacket. It's casual, it's cool, and it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're wearing it with a summer dress or a cozy sweater and jeans in the fall, a denim jacket is a staple that can carry you through the seasons. And of course, we can't forget about the little black dress. Elegant, sophisticated, and always in style, a little black dress can be worn for a night out, a business meeting, or a casual day of shopping. It's a piece that can be dressed up with heels and jewelry or dressed down with flats and a cardigan. In the end, building a capsule wardrobe is not just about simplifying your closet. It's about making thoughtful, ethical choices. It's about buying less, but buying better. It's about choosing quality over quantity and valuing longevity over fast fashion trends. It's about making every piece count. As you can see, less truly is more when it comes to curating a versatile, stylish, and ethical wardrobe. Now let's discuss a crucial aspect of ethical fashion: care and repair. We all love the feel of a new piece of clothing, but what if we could maintain that feeling for longer and extend the life of our garments? This is not only good for our wallets, but also for our planet. So how do we go about it? Well, it's simpler than you might think. It all starts with washing. Washing clothes less frequently and using cold water can significantly extend their lifespan. Also, consider using a gentle detergent and turning your clothes inside out before washing to protect colors and fabrics. Next up is drying. While it might be tempting to throw everything in a dryer, air drying is a much gentler and eco-friendly option. It helps maintain the shape and color of your clothes, reducing the wear and tear that can come with machine drying. But what happens when your beloved garment gets a tear or loses a button? That's where your basic sewing skills come in handy. A small tear doesn't have to mean the end of your favorite shirt. With a needle and thread, you can patch up holes and fix loose buttons, giving your clothes a new lease on life. Don't worry if you're not an expert. Practice makes perfect, and there are plenty of online tutorials to guide you. Lastly, let's talk about the life cycle of your clothes. Even with proper care, there may come a time when you're ready to part ways with an item. But that doesn't mean it has to end up in a landfill. Well cared for clothes can be handed down to friends or family, swapped, or even sold. This way, you're not only extending the life of the garment, but also reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Remember, fashion is not disposable. With proper care, your clothes can serve you well for years, and even find a second life in someone else's wardrobe. As we wrap up our journey, let's reflect on the impact of our choices. The world of fashion isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. And not just in the fabric on our skin, but deep down in our souls, knowing that our choices are making a positive impact. Every dollar we spend is a vote for the kind of world we want to live in. A world where workers are treated fairly, where the environment is respected, where quality trumps quantity. When we shop mindfully, we're not just buying clothes, we're supporting ethical practices, sustainable methods, and fair trade. We're proving that style doesn't have to come at the expense of our planet or people. We're showing that it's possible to be chic and conscious, stylish and sustainable. Emma's parting words are, fashion isn't about trends, it's about values. Remember this as you make your future fashion choices.